asking about time, day, date, and season. What time is it now? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. What day is it today? Today is Thursday. What's the date today? Is 13th of March 2025. And one season is it now? It's spring now. So, what are you doing? I am reading an article about climate change. It's really interesting. Wow, that's cool. I haven't finished my English homework. Great. I've been working on it since this morning. Wow. How long have you been studying? For about 3 hours. That's amazing. I've learned a lot of new vocabulary this week. That's good. I'm trying to improve my grammar now. Good luck. Let's keep practicing together. Absolutely.